G'day legends, it's your boy back with another unboxing. Today I'm going to be unboxing this bad boy. This is my new modem that I got from Dodo. So I upgraded my internet plan and therefore upgraded the modem to support said internet plan, and it finally arrived today after having, I think it was 2 hiccups with the processing of the order, but it's here and I'm going to unbox it with you. So I just showed you guys the box, and now I've got to take off this like that. Groovy. And there's another one on the bottom, of course, because you know things just aren't simple, are they? Whoop. Sorry, if I break this little part, then I break this little part. It's not going to really matter too much. All right, slide the little sleeve off. Beautiful. And then we're just left with a standard brown box. Okay. And then we've got this little tab here. So lift, and then voila, it is open, and that's what you're greeted with when you open the box. And then from there, grab the plastic modem itself. I'll just put that to the side really quick and run through everything else. And then you've got your general public license notice, a little bit of the piece of paper. And then you've got obviously the Wi-Fi name and password. I won't show you that because, you know, privacy and safety and all the rest of it. Quick start guide, which I've set up that many of these modems. It's ridiculous. And then you've just got your cables and your power cable in there. So all hunky-dory on that one. But let's go to the modem. So modem in its sleeve. Ta-da! Wow. Okay, that actually looks really, really cool. I like that. So this is the modem. As you guys can see, it's got all the different stuff on the bottom, the side, the back, pretty colorful. I actually prefer this style of modem compared to the one I've got. The one I've got is more of a PlayStation 5 style modem, but yeah, so this is the new modem, which will go along with the new internet plan that I have gotten. So yeah, but yeah, I'm sorry, I just can't get over how good that looks. Like, what the helly? Then you've got, what's that on there? Ah, okay. I don't know if you can see that, but I mean, yeah. So you've also got the Wi-Fi name and password on the bottom of the box as well, comes standard. But yeah, you got your power, your DSL, your internet, your 2.4, your 5 gigahertz, your WAN, then your LAN 1, 2, and 3, and 4, as well as your phone, your WPS, and your USB. So this will replace my current modem, which will be groovy, groovy, groovy. But yeah, anyway, that's that. I thought that was going to take longer to do, but there's not really much else to it, is there? Anyway, that's going to do it for me. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, anyway, that's going to do it for me. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, interact with the channel, hit all the different buttons. Don't forget to follow me on all my socials, link tree in the description down below. Also, if you want to cop yourself a fresh pair of sunnies, look no further than Too Savage, the only sunnies I'll ever rock again. They are the best sunnies in the world, in my opinion. I would say I would put the link to this modem in the description down below, but I don't actually know if I can. And yeah, I hope you guys have a good day or night, wherever you may be watching this from. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Till then, peace out.